3, 2, 1. Here goes nothing. And it started. Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel.
Please visit your dealer for service.
Okay. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Guys, we got the Focus RS pretty close to being wrapped up. We got some blue seat belts. We got new airbags. The whole interior looks pretty close to being brand new again. In a minute, I'll show you guys the outside of the car, and holy crap, did it come a long way. We do have a couple things we got to take care of before we can get this back on the road. One of them being the dash looks like a Christmas tree right now. We have a couple crash codes that I do not have the tool to clear. If you go over here to drive mode, you can actually change the drive mode, but then shortly after it'll say drive mode selection not available. Don't worry, they'll have an appointment on Monday at the Ford dealership, so they should be able to take care of that because technically everything on the car is fixed. Just the codes kind of need reset. Like I said, we're gonna check out the outside of the car. Let me show you guys how it turned out. Honestly, I'm very pleased with how the Focus RS turned out. I mean, other than the paint, which will be taken care of, I'm talking the body panels all line up very, very good. I mean, we are missing a couple pieces. I do gotta put a couple plastic clips in the front bumper. It is sagging a little bit. As you can see, we have a left fog light, but we do not have a right, because for some reason I had two left fog lights and it just didn't work out. I got that on order. We are missing the Ford badge, the RS badge. This is actually a carbon fiber front bumper insert. Guys, you would not believe how much Ford was asking for an OEM front bumper insert. Guys, leave a comment down below. I want to hear your guys' guess. Now, screw that. I'll just tell you. It was pretty much the price of an iPhone. Also, shout out to carparts.com for hooking me up with those headlights. And boy, do those daytime running lights look good. Pretty soon, we're going to go over all the pricing on how much I paid for the car, all the parts, the sponsor money that I got for it. Like I said, it's this close to being done. I got a couple parts I need to put on. It's also heading to the Ford dealership on Monday to get the codes reset. And then I'm sending it to the enhanced inspection garage. And hopefully this week, this car will be legal. I already have a couple quotes for the paint work. I want to make sure it's painted good, because the last thing I need is all this headache and then a car that doesn't even look good. That's just a quick update to catch you guys up to speed on where we're at on the Focus RS. I have so much to tell you about it. If you guys have not been following my TikTok account at Caleb Eckenroad, boy, are you guys behind. I showed the whole assembly of the front end on there. Don't worry, if you guys don't have TikTok, I will catch you up on it and a more in-depth video of the Focus RS. But let's jump over to my $350 2008 Suzuki SX4. This thing's pretty much all good to go. I know in the last video I talked about the front bumper. I actually ended up picking up that bumper off that blue car at the junkyard. I got that mounted up good, but we have a problem. This hood is just too dented and it just won't latch. But here's how the radiator support turned out. Believe it or not, it actually turned out a little better than I was thinking it was going to. I even pulled the headlights off at SX4 that was up in the foreign lot at the junkyard. To finish straightening this, I actually hooked a rope right here. Matter of fact, I tied it to that tree over here and I just backed up enough where it actually straightened it out. Our frame machine, the Polaris Razor Pro XP, actually kept moving. I probably should have tied the back of it to a tree, but either way, we got it all straightened out. Front bumper actually mounts on very good. Here's the driver's side, and the passenger side, well, a couple kicks, and well, it's okay. This hood's pretty much mangled. But don't worry, in my garage, we actually have a new hood right there. Shout out to carparts.com for sending this over. This right here should make the Suzuki SX4 look like a whole new car again. Now, we just gotta get this mounted up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, we're gonna get this hood swapped out. Wow, that's not good. Let's get this hood swapped out, but while I wrench on this, we're gonna cut the taking the Focus RS to the Ford dealership. Go grab the Focus RS. We're gonna load it on that trailer, and my dad's gonna haul me down to the Ford dealership so we can get those codes taken care of. RS has been sitting there way too long. Hey, you guys gonna miss the Focus RS? Yeah, me too. Let's get this car loaded up.
This thing's to start.
Yeah, of course. Let's see. Yes, it started.
Yeah, barely.
Shut up, dude. It says right here, all-wheel drive off. That's one of the reasons why it's heading to the dealership. How about a couple revs?
Yeah, it sounds kind of slow, bud.
Yeah, get out of here, man. What do you want, bud?
I'll race ya.
Let's go then. Oh. Here we are, we got the car over here on a raised embankment. We got the trailer over there. Right now I got my dad hooking up the trailer. We're gonna put the car on it. The more I look at it sitting here, the more I realize that this thing has come a long way. And this project right here is something that I'm actually proud about. Rebuilding a salvage title car has been on my bucket list for so long now. Finally, we're doing it pretty soon. Fingers crossed. Hopefully this week, this car will be back on the road. Here's my dad's new trailer. Hey, couldn't be more of a better time for you to buy a new trailer. How about it?
I bought it just for you.
Yeah. Yeah, where was this trailer the last time I tried to haul my car? We got the car lined up to the 2x6s. We have a little bit of a problem. The car is parked so close that we cannot open a door. We can use the jump box to power the car. We're gonna reach in, auto up the window, and then we'll climb out of the back hatch. And when we go to get back in it, we're gonna have to climb through the hatch. This is complete chaos.
Whenever you're ready, bud.
Holy smoke, what is this, a diesel?
Dad, wish he'd afford a diesel. Back this big dog up.
Bring it back. Did my dad just stall an automatic truck? Okay, this is scary.
Like, you get this.
I think you need to join the gym, bud.
I see some steroids.
This slow car on the trailer.
Dad's got more power than that truck over there.
Then why am I hauling it?
Because it's junk. I think my dad's drunk.
You say? Or why?
It's a race car. Yeah, he's drunk.
But the ramp kind of fell off the tray. We'll look at it.
You literally just said it.
Oh yeah, it's
Guys, that was probably a little harder than it needed to be. I mean, it is loaded. It probably doesn't help that it is a rainy day and it was a little slippery there. Dad, I saw you almost biff it.
I did.
Early morning at the bar or what?
It's a little slippery.
How's the strapping going?
Is this good?
No, that's not good. That bumper costs like $600. We need to get some boards just in case of unloading there is a pain.
Yeah, I might see you later.
Hey, buddy. Hey, get back here. Hey, get back here. I need those boards. Stop. We're trying to unload a car, bud.
Later, loser!
We got the car loaded up. We're off to the Ford dealership. Dad, you're almost out of gas.
I told you has nobody.
We're here at Rutter's. Let's go get some iced tea and bread. Ginger snaps. What else do we need?
Milk and bread.
Not milk, iced tea.
Iced tea and bread.
Come on, over here. No, we'll put that back. We don't need candy. You don't need to go see the dentist, do you?
Oh yeah, kind of.
You'll pay for it.
Let's keep a couple bucks.
Yeah. Yeah, we can keep a couple bucks. Yeah, we got your goodies.
Yeah, we
I maxed out my other card. I had to use my other one too. Now it's left to my $20.
Yeah. Oh no, the car.
Ah, sweet.
We're still on the trailer. That's good news. We're all fueled up. Let's head on to the Ford dealership. Be right down there, Dad.
I'm sending you the bill.
Here at the Ford dealership, let's get this Focus RS unloaded. And hopefully tomorrow morning they can clear the codes. Man down, man down. What happened there, bud?
Not much.
Bro, how'd you just fall? We got the straps off. Let's hope this thing starts up now and let's try to get this thing unloaded.
Hold on a minute. Come on back, buddy. Ready? Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Perfect. Keep it coming.
So long. Shut it. We dropped the RS off at Stucky. I hope they're not going to be out joyriding it because they're probably not going to last too long on the road like that. I'm pretty curious to see how one of them drive. I don't know anyone that bought one of them. Let me know if you guys know anyone that actually bought a Ford, an F-150 Lightning. I'm curious to know how they like it. Let's get the ramps back on the trailer. Turbo. And it's time to go home. What's up, guys? We're back to putting the hood back on the SX4. I got the hood bolts in. Now it's time to see if everything lines up. Here goes nothing. There, it actually lines up. Other than the fact it's multicolor, it's not actually too bad of a car. Shout out to carparts.com for sending us that hood. Hopefully we can get this SX4 off to the inspection station this week. That's it for today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting a new video every Monday, Thursday, and we'll see you on Monday. Peace.